Hi FoodieFlicks family! Today I'm sharing a simple yet delicious recipe for a refreshing avocado cucumber salad. So let's dive right in. First, let's take our ripe avocado and place it on the cutting board. Make sure the avocado is ripe but not too soft. Using a knife, carefully slice the avocado lengthwise, rotating it around the pit. Gently twist the halves apart. Now that we have our two halves, you can see the pit is still in one of them. Instead of using a knife to remove it, here's a trick. Take the half with the pit and hold it firmly. Slice it into 2 to 3 pieces, and gently we can remove the pit with our hands. Be careful, as the avocado can be split. Now, we can cut the avocado flesh into cubes. Simply slice it lengthwise and then crosswise while it's still in the skin. Finally, use your hand to scoop out the avocado cubes. They should come out easily and be perfectly sized for your salad. Next, slice your cucumber. You can cut it into thin rounds or cubes, whichever you prefer. Now, finely chop half a red onion. This will add a nice crunch and a bit of sharpness to our salad. And finally, chop a small bunch of cilantro. This herb will give our salad a fresh, citrusy flavor. Now let's put everything together. In a large bowl, combine the avocado, cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, and cilantro. Drizzle with a bit of olive oil and season with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a gentle toss to combine all the flavors. So fresh and flavorful. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to FoodieFlicks for more delicious recipes. And if you try this salad, share your pictures with me in a comment. See you next time.